What's the meaning of bloop? Bloop. Bloop.
Bloop. Bloop. Bloop is an onomatopoeic word that imitates the sound of a deep and resonant underwater noise. It gained popularity in the late 1990s, when the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA, recorded a mysterious sound in the Pacific Ocean. The sound was much louder than any known animal call and was heard multiple times over the span of several years. While many theories exist as to the origin of the sound, including those related to geological and biological phenomena, its true source remains unknown. Bloop has since become a byword for unexplained underwater sounds and phenomena.